Ever wondered why Roman concrete structures are still standing strong, while your driveway can't survive a single winter without cracking? Welcome to the fascinating world of Roman concrete, a marvel of ancient engineering that has withstood the test of time. Today, our modern concrete seems more like a delicate pastry in comparison. So why can't we replicate this extraordinary durability? It's like comparing a gladiator to a kitten. What did the Romans know that we don't? The answer lies in the unique recipe that the Romans used. Picture this: volcanic ash, seawater, and a rare mineral named altobermarite. Sounds like a potion from a fantasy novel, doesn't it? Well, it's the secret behind the strength of Roman concrete. When mixed together, these ingredients create a reaction that forms altobermarite, which, interestingly, strengthens over time. Now let's compare this to our modern concrete. It's certainly no slouch, but it does have a tendency to weaken over time. Quite the opposite, don't you think? It's as if the Romans were the gourmet chefs of construction, whipping up a batch of concrete that just gets better with age. So basically, the Romans had the secret sauce for super strong concrete. No wonder their structures are still standing after thousands of years. So, could we recreate this ancient recipe for modern use? You bet we could. Scientists today are making strides in unraveling the secret behind the legendary strength of Roman concrete. With a mix of volcanic ash, lime, and seawater, they're replicating the very stuff that has withstood 2 millennia of wear and tear. Imagine the possibilities. Our buildings, bridges, even our humble driveways could last thousands of years, proving a match for nature's toughest challenges. Plus, it's a greener alternative too, reducing carbon emissions during production. So, let's raise a glass to the future of concrete, a future inspired by the past. Maybe soon your driveway will be as sturdy as a Roman aqueduct. Now, wouldn't that be something?